Hello friends, I am Dr. Sajan Raj Purohit. I am consultant medical oncologist at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute, Ditibag. Today I will discuss one cancer which is one of the faster growing cancers. It is the cancer of the pancreas. Pancreatic cancer is fourth leading cause of cancer in men worldwide. Though the incidence is low, but then the mortality is still very high. It is very important to suspect pancreatic cancer in patients who have pain in the upper part of the abdomen or severe pain in the upper part of the back, and who are experiencing unexplained weight loss, who are having indigestion, who are having difficulty in taking solids, or they are having multiple episodes of vomitings, and people who have been otherwise active and suddenly they start becoming lethargic. So if somebody who experiences such kind of symptoms, it is very important for your doctor to really look deeper into the causes or symptoms which might be leading to this kind of picture in the patient. And many times what happens is ultrasound is done, and ultrasound can miss a pancreatic cancer because pancreas is just at the bottom of the abdomen, and ultrasounds are not able to really visualize clearly the pancreatic mass. If a patient who has been experiencing dyspeptic symptoms, weight loss and suppression of appetite, it is very important that they, after 2 to 3 weeks, if they are not getting well, they undergo ultrasound and if required upper GI endoscopy. And if still nothing is found, then it is always prudent to make the patient undergo a CT scan of the abdomen. Now, pancreatic cancer, unfortunately, even today, more than 70% patients are, by the time it is diagnosed, it is unresectable or it cannot be operated upon. Nowadays, there is an advancement in the treatment of pancreatic cancer, and many more drugs have come up which are able to either reduce the size of the cancer and make it operable, or even in patients who have advanced disease, they are now able to live longer with these medicines. Having said that, I think there needs to be a general awareness among the physicians as well as people who have these kind of symptoms to be aware of this entity and to be really proactive if they are having some symptoms which are persisting beyond 2 to 3 weeks. I think this needs to be emphasized again, that any upper abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, appetite suppression, and a sense of dragging sensation in the upper part of the tummy, pain starting from the back, or pain starting in the abdomen and going through radiating towards the upper part of the back, these can be symptoms of pancreatic cancer. So if somebody experiences these symptoms whom you know of, kindly get them evaluated by a specialist, and if required, refer to a higher center or a gastroenterologist or an oncologist and do a detailed evaluation of such people so that they can be found at the stage when surgery is possible and the person can be cured of this disease. So this is what I had for today, and if you want to have any further information on the treatment of pancreatic cancer, you can connect with me on my Facebook page, which is Sajan Raj Purohit, or on my Twitter @Sajan80, or you can connect with me on Librate, or if you want to meet me personally, you can come and meet me at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute at Ditibag. It's just near AIIMS. Thanks a lot.